What is the limit of surface area that is to be machined using USM? A. 100 mm2, B. 500 mm2, C. 1000 mm2, D. 1500 mm2. The correct answer is 1000 mm2. In which of the following materials rotary ultrasonic machining can be used to drill holes through them? A. Glass, B. Alumina, C. Ferrite, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Ultrasonic machining can be used for which of the following processes and applications? A. Drilling, B. Sinking and contouring, C. Polishing, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Drilling in ultrasonic machining is done by which motion of the tool? A. Only rotation, B. Only oscillation, C. Oscillation and rotation, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is oscillation and rotation.